Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today we're doing another duo collab with Johnny from A View to a Grill. Go check him out. I'll have him a little iCard up here and I'll put him down in the description. Great channel, a lot of great stuff. And Johnny says, you know what, Corey? I want to do a Greek chicken. So hey, Johnny and I are both doing Greek chicken today. Mine's going to be in cast iron, out on the kettle, one pan. You can definitely do it in the oven also, Pyrex, whatever you want to use. Greek chicken next. Don't forget to check out A View to a Grill. Check out Johnny. Greek chicken. Let's get her going on next. Alright, here are our ingredients. We got garlic. We got some cumin. We got garden fresh tomatoes. We got a garden fresh, I think that's a Thai dragon. We got an Anaheim. We got some fresh oregano. We got some chicken breast. We definitely got some lemons, red onion, some dried oregano. Hey, give her an extra pop of oregano, some delicious olive oil, some potatoes, some chicken stock, salt, pepper. These two peppers usually aren't in the mix on it, but hey, they're in our garden. Let's get them used up. Hey, let's get this Greek chicken going next on Cooking with Corey. Carrots, some garlic, our Anaheim, our Thai, and some delicious Dutch yellow potatoes. Later we will walk you through just doing a fresh relish, so to speak, of tomato and red onion, and we'll throw some delicious oregano in there. Chop-o-matic next. Alright, let's get this thing rocking here. We're going to just do the sauce, the marinade, whatever you want to call it. So that's going to consist of 1 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 8 ounces, a little bit more. There we go. And we're going to add to that some chicken stock. And that will be another 8 ounces of chicken stock there. And we shall add in our garlic that Chop-O-Matic did for us. That goes in there. 4 cloves of garlic minced. Or use your microplane or whatever you want to do to make that happen. And obviously some fresh cracked pepper and salt. So we're going to add salt to this. Right now, just a little bit, right there, and here comes our lemon into the equation here. Just hold it over your hand and squeeze it. Those pips out of it. You don't want those pips in there. And we'll do 1 whole lemon. And probably get into another. Let's do 2. Let's do 2. That's gonna make a good half cup in there. So that's kind of what you need to be with this. A good half cup of lemon juice. All right, there we got it. Well, that's chicken. All right, we had a camera snafu. 2 tablespoons I added in here of delicious dried oregano. So that's in the mix now with everything else we got into the party. And let's do something else to add just some extra flavor to this, extra lemoniness. So we're gonna zest 1 lemon into this mix. And when you're doing this, don't get into the white of it. Just take the peel off of it. Like so. Don't do this. Don't get way down into it. Alright? Alright, I'll finish this. We'll put the chicken in. Alright, our sauce slash marinade is complete. Looking delicious. Here's our chicken breast. Use a little bit of this sauce to marinate these breasts. Alright. Let that go in the fridge, 4 hours. You could probably do it overnight. All right, We got our cast iron skillet out. Everything's going good at the moment. So let's get our potatoes in here. Let's get those into the equation there. All right. So we're doing Greek chicken. Obviously we're doing potatoes too. Let's get our peppers, our Anaheim, and our Thai in there. Sometimes in actual Greek recipes, they put chili flake in this, so that should kind of substitute for that. So that's great there. We're gonna add just a little bit of dried oregano to this party here. And we're gonna add a few sprigs of fresh oregano in there to that party, also along with a little bit of cumin. Good tablespoon of cumin into our mix there, and we will add the rest of our mix into this like so, and then we will add our chicken after we give us a good mix. Get it all incorporated together, get it all liking each other. Just separate it out a little bit here. We'll actually hit that with a little bit of salt before we go on this mission. There we go, that's good. You could hit it with some pepper too if you wanted, but just make us a little path in there. We'll add our chicken breasts that have been marinated for 4 hours. So there's one, and here's two, and we'll give it a little bit of that marinade. We are cooking this to a boil, so there's no need to be worrying about salmonella or something happening to you from that. All right, let's get this out to the kettle. Let's get this thing cooking. All right, let's get her on. And here's our deliciousness right there. All right, we're back. I wanted to get a little bit of color on these chicken breasts, so I'm going to pull these out. Taking a risk here. It's probably going to start some fire. So I just want to get a little color on them, so they're not just looking all pale. So let's just get a little color on these bad boys. We'll get them back into the mix and go from there. All right, now we got some color on our chicken. We'll flip the other one over. Look at that, guys. Look at that color on that delicious chicken. All right, back into that Greeky bath there. Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's what we needed on that. All right, let's move that over there. Let's cover her up. All right, let's prepare just a nice little fresh thing since everything out there is cooked. So we're gonna take our delicious garden fresh tomato, and I'm gonna show you how to get this without seeds. So you take it around here and you follow your knife around. You're gonna get some seeds, but you're gonna get less seeds. So we're gonna go like this, like this, like this. There's most of your seeds. That's your seed bomb right there. If you're worried about it, I'm not worried about it, but we're gonna take these away right now. And we're gonna work on our onion. And our onion right here. So to get even slices of onion, you wanna start your knife like this. You don't wanna start it like this. So we're gonna start down here, so we got even slices. So down there, see how I'm doing that? Adjust my knife a little bit on each one. Like that. Get even slices of onions that way. Alright, let's put this little fresh relish together. Alright, we are back. Hey, I got the seeds out of these. Just using a spoon and just do them in strips. Like so. Like so. And like so. Alright. And take your bowl. We got our bowl. We'll add our delicious fresh, garden fresh tomato to that. We'll add probably about that much of some good old red onion. Or if not, leave it out. We'll add just a little bit of dried oregano. Not a lot. I mean, we got that running throughout. We're gonna add salt to the mixture. And we are going to add fresh cracked pepper to that. While we're up to that, we are going to add just a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And what I didn't show you before, this is a surprise, some feta cheese. So we're gonna put some feta cheese in here. A nice glob of feta cheese. All right, Stu, take that. Mix that up. Let those flavors marinate. And that will be a nice, fresh topping to our Greek chicken. All right, folks, we are there. Hey, let's go plate this deliciousness. All right, let's plate our delicious Greek chicken. You're gonna have little stems of oregano in there. Just pull those suckers out. It's no big deal. It's not the end of the world. So let's get some of our potatoes on our plate here. Looking good, nice tender baby potatoes. You can use what you want. You know, if you wanted to use russet or whatever, go ahead, use them. Doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. These are pile these. These are lemony. These are garlicky. All right, that's looking pretty good so far. All right, so we got our chicken, our delicious Greek chicken. Let's lay a fan down right here of our delicious chicken. And of course, impeccably clean hands as always when you're dealing with cooking with Corey. And our delicious medley of garden fresh tomatoes, feta, etc. can go on this bad boy right there like that. This is looking pretty Greeky, don't you guys think? It's looking delicious. But we need some of that sauce out of that pan. Our cast iron pan. Let me tip this back. It is still hot. It is still hot, peeps. So here we go. Some of that. Some of our peppers that we put in there. A little twist that we put in there with our peppers. Don't be shy. Get her on there. You want all that flavor you can get. All right, that's looking good. We're gonna finish it with some wonderful parsley. As I always do. That's for you, Tommy. All right, guys. Don't forget to check Johnny out at View to a Grill. Great channel, great cook. The guy's got a lot of great stuff on his channel. Go check Johnny out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey on YouTube. Hey, we're gonna see you tomorrow. Got a Tackle Smoky Goodness collab tomorrow. Love you guys. Enjoy.